Condenser, 2 points. Very correct, 2 points. Fanta Strawberry. Considering a substance called jowling. Jowling is a red liquid that vaporizes easily at room temperature. If some of the liquid is placed at the bottom of a sealed gas jar, what would you expect to observe in the jar after several hours? Let me repeat the question. Considering a substance called jowling, jowling is a red liquid water that vaporizes easily at room temperature. If some of the liquid is placed at the bottom of a sealed gas jar, what would you expect to observe in the jar after several hours? A, the red jar liquid will be at the bottom of the jar. B, the whole jar will be colored red with jowling vapor. No liquid jowling will be seen. C, jowling vapor will settle at the bottom. No liquid jowling will be seen. And the D, jowling vapor will be close to the top of the jar. No jowling liquid will be at the bottom.
B.
Huh?
B.
Which letter?
B.
B for ball.
Yeah.
Very correct. 2 points. Fanta Blackcurrant, your biology question. The farming practice by which an exhaust farmland is left for a number of years before cultivation is known as, I repeat, a farming practice by which an exhaust farmland is left for a number of years before cultivation is known as A, crop rotation, B, continuous cropping, C, monocropping, and D, bush following.
Bush following.
Bush following, very correct, 2 points. Fanta Strawberry. Fanta Strawberry, this is your biology question. Which of the following factors may not cause overcrowding? A, limited space. B, scarcity of food. C, reduced birth rate. And D, loose immigration. Which of the following factors may not cause overcrowding? So A, limited space. B, scarcity of food. C, reduced birth rate. And D, loose immigration condition.
Reduced birth rate.
Reduced birth rate, very correct, 2 points. We now move to Gambega section. Fanta Blackcurrant. Which of the Gambega beverages contain quinine? Which of the Gambega's beverages contain quinine? No option for this.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola, you missed it. Try again.
Malta.
Malta, you missed it. Yes, Fanta Strawberry.
Tonic.
What's the full name? Schweppes tonic. Very correct. 1 point. Fanta Strawberry, this is your last Gambega question. Which of the Gambega beverages has the most number of letters?
Fanta Blackcurrant.
Fanta Blackcurrant, 2 points. Very correct. So that takes us to the end of the round 2. We allow Madam Carr to give us the scores.
In round 2, Fatoto Senior Secondary School scored 6 points and Gambia Methodist Academy scored 8 points. That brings the cumulative totals end of round 2 to 10 points for Fatoto Senior Secondary School and 20 points for Gambia Methodist Academy.
Thank you very much, Madam Ka, for that result. As you can see, in round 2, Methodist Senior School scored 10 points, while Methodist Academy scored 20 points. So difference of 10. So the margin is getting wider and wider. Now let's move to round 3, whether we can narrow the margin. Round 3, Fanta Strawberry. Express 3 minus, open the bracket, x minus y over y, you close it, as a single fraction. Express 3 minus, you open the bracket, x minus y over y, you close the bracket, as a single fraction.
Two y minus x over y. All over y.
2y
Minus x all
as
over
a single fraction, single fraction. Check your calculations, very.
y. 4y minus x all over y.
Very correct, 2 points. 4y minus x all over y. Now, Fanta Blackcurrant. Given that r equals to xy over 2 and x equals to v over w, express r in terms of y, v, and w. I repeat, given that r equals to xy over 2 and x equals to v over w, express r in terms of y, v, and w. Your time is up. I'm sorry. Yes, Fanta Strawberry?
R is equal to Vy over 2W.
Vy over 2w. Very correct. Very good. Fanta Strawberry. A 24 Newton force is applied to an object that moves 10 meters in the same direction during the time that the net force is applied. How much work is done to the object? A 24 Newton force is applied to an object that moves 10 meters in the same direction during the time that the force is applied. How much work is done to the object?
240 joules.
240 joules, 2 points. That's very correct. 2 points. Fanta Blackcurrant. A 24 Newton force is applied to an object that moves 10 meters in the opposite direction during the same that the force is applied. How much work is done to the object? I repeat, a 24 Newton force is applied to an object that moves 10 meters in the opposite direction during the time that the force is applied. How much work is done to the object?
Yes, 240 joule.
240 joules. You missed it. Try again.
Yes, 2.4 joules.
You missed it. Yes, Fanta Strawberry.
Minus 240.
Absolutely right. Minus 240 joules. The first one is opposite in the same direction. The second one is opposite direction. So it has to gain. It has to lose, huh? So, Fanta Strawberry, this is your chemistry question. A student is interested in finding out if the reaction between an acid, chloric acid, and alkali cadmium hydroxide is exothermic or endothermic. Which of the following will be most useful